Hello and good morning dear students. So today is 10th of August and today we are starting with the new topic solving exponential equations, that is exercise 7b. Alright, and we'll start with question number 1. The question is solve for x and the question is 2 to the power x plus 1 is equals to 8. Solve for x means to find the value for x. Alright, so please do understand that. Now before that, exponential equations. So equation means something is equals to something. Two numbers, two expressions is equals to, okay, this is equations. But what do you mean by exponential equations? Exponential equations means those equations which contains indices, which contains powers, which contains base as well as powers. Those equations which contains base as well as powers. Okay, so this type of equations are called what equations? Exponential equations, or also we can say exponential form. For example, 9. What is the exponential form of 9? If you're asked, then the exponential form of 9 is 3 to the power 2. Okay, so this is your exponential form of 9, where 3 is the base and 2 is the power. Suppose if I say what is the exponential form of 100? Its exponential form is 10 to the power 2 and so on. Okay, so therefore we have to solve this exponential equations. So before that, see 2 to the power x plus 1, I can write 2 to the power x plus 1. But how will I write 8? Can you give me the exponential form of 8? How can I write 8? Can I write 2 to the power 3? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So 2 to the power 3. The moment I write this, the next step now, we have to write as the bases are same. See, the base is 2, the base is 2. When the bases are same, then the powers will also be same. Okay, there's a rule. When the bases are same or equal, then the powers are also equal. So therefore this implies that powers equal means x plus 1 is equals to 2 and the value for x is 1. Are you clear? The moment the bases are equal, the powers are also equal. But remember that there has to be only one base, one base. This is not true. 2 to the power x plus 1 is equals to 2 to the power 3 plus 4. In this case, I cannot write 2x plus 1 is equals to 3. Okay, it is only true when both the sides contain only one single basis. We'll discuss it further. Okay, so pause the video and note it down. Alright boys, next one is question number 1 part 2. So you can see 2 to the power 5x minus 1 is equals to 2 to the power 5x minus 1 is equals to 4 into 2 to the power 3x plus 1. Alright, so what to do out here is, first of all, it is already in exponential form. What is the exponential form of 4? What is the exponential form of 4? Can I write 2 to the power 2 into 3 to the power x plus 1 as it is. And now as the bases are same, in between there is multiplication, so I can use the product law. Okay, product law. So add the powers, the first law what we have learned. 2 to the power 2 into 2 to the power 3x plus 1 will be 2 to the power 2 plus 3x plus 1. I hope everyone is understanding this. So 2 to the power 5x minus 1 is equals to 2 to the power 3x plus 3. The same thing again, as the bases are equal, then the powers are also equal. So powers equal means the power, please equate the powers. Therefore we will be getting 5x minus 1 is equals to 3x plus 3. Therefore this will give you 5x minus 3x is equals to 3 plus 1. That is 2x is equals to 4. So which will give you the value for x as 2. Alright. So please pause the video and note it down. Alright boys, I hope you're understanding it. Great. Okay, please stay focused. You'll understand it more, you'll be clear. Alright, next one is number 1 part 4. you can clearly see 49 to the power x plus 4 is equals to 7 square into 343 to the power x plus 1. We need to solve it and find the value for x. 49, tell me, what is the exponential form of 49? Everyone knows 7 square. Just replace 49 by 7 square to the power x plus 4. Leave it as it is equals to 7 square as 7 square. 343, if you calculate, it is 7 cube. Please do make the calculation. 777. 3 times, okay? Now, I can use the power law. Now, most of the students make the mistakes out here. When I tell you to use the power law, you have to multiply 2 with both of this. Some of you only multiply 2x plus 4. Finished. No, it will be 2x plus 8. Okay? So that's why I'm, leaving a gap out here so that I can write. Similarly this, power. Okay, now let's use the power law. 7 to the power, will it be 2x plus 8? Which is equals to 7 square into 7 to the power 3x, 3 into x, 3x, 3 into 1, 3, along with the sign. Now, yes, what happens? We can use the product law. So therefore, 7 to the power 2x plus 8. 7 to the power, will this be 3x plus 5? And now you know what to do. Please write down, as the bases are same, the power is also same. Pause the video, note it down. Alright, and therefore when you solve it, you will be getting 2x plus 8 is equals to 3x plus 5, and x is equals to 3. So please pause the video, note it down. Alright boys, so now if I do one by one sum on the board, then the video will be very lengthy, okay, and the size will be very, very large. So hence now I hope you have got the basic idea what we are doing in this exercise. We are solving exponential equations, right? The main thing out here is to make the bases same. Once the bases are same on both the sides, then we can equate the powers, okay? That's the catch. Provided you know the formulas, product law, quotient law, and power law, okay? Find the value for x. We are doing number 2. 4 to the power 2x is equals to 1 by 32. Now please bear in mind is what you have to do. 4 to the power 2x, 1 by 32. Okay, smallest base that I can make for 4 is 2, because I can write 4 as 2 to the power 2. 2 to the power 2 whole to the power 2x is equals to 32 as 1 by 2 to the power 5. Alright, and here I am using the power law. 2 to the power 2 into 2x is equals to, bring it up, 2 to the power minus 5. Okay, so this is 2 to the power 4x is equals to 2 to the power minus 5. Now as the bases are same, the powers are also same. So 4x equals to minus 5, x equals to minus 5 by 4. Okay, so pause the video and note it down. I move to question number 2, part 2. Root over 2x plus 3 is equals to 16. You are asked to find the value for x. Remember that your x is inside the square root. Your x is inside the square root. First of all, how to remove the square root? There's only one way to remove the square root, and that is by doing squaring both the sides. So squaring both the sides, square of this is equals to square of this. Now square of this here, squared and squared gets cancel out, so I get back 2 to the power x plus 3. Now 16 is 2 to the power 4, right? And to the power 2, right? So which is 4 to the 8. So therefore 2 to the power 2x plus 3 is equals to 2 to the power 8. And now you know what to do. As the bases are same, the powers are also same. Okay, so please pause the video and note it down. Alright boys, so we are moving to the last sum for today, that is question number 3. Okay, so 3 part 1 is solve 4 to the power x minus 2 minus 2 to the power x plus 1 equals to 0. Okay, so since the right hand side is 0, I am taking this term to the right hand side. It becomes positive, and now you know what to do. Just make this 4 as the base of 2. 2 to the power 2 to the power x, this is equals to this. Multiply the powers, 2x minus 4 is equals to this. As the bases are same, the powers are also same, so we can find the value for x. Alright, this is 3 part 1. 3 part 2 is this. It is given in the form of ratio. Now we know that ratio means, I can write it down as a fraction. So this by this is equal to this by this. So this by this is equal to this by this. By the way, 9 by 1 is just 9, and 9 means 3 to the power 2. Okay? And here I have used the quotient law. As the bases are same, the power gets subtracted. So 3 to the power x square minus x is equal to 3 to the power 2. And now I know I can equate the powers. So one simple homework I am giving to you, complete this sum and also complete all the sums that we did today and submit by tomorrow. And also your homework will be question number 2 part 3. Okay, so these 2 questions will be homework. Tomorrow we are going to continue with the same exercise. So that's it for today. I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you.